myself Ajay Bose. Today we're going to discuss about the OOPS concept programming in C++. You heard about the language C++. It's one of the most prominent and more specific and diversified language in the world. One of the most sort of complex software we are use right now is based on C++. So it's quite good idea to know to have a understand the notion of the problems, how we can write the programming in C++. So we have to come to our main topics, how to write a OOPS concepts in C++. Now, first you have to install code block. If you have another kind of ID, it doesn't matter. But it's a good ID for C++ programming. Code block can install, and you will go through the site. It's a very good site, www.3nq.edu/sc. It's a very good site. I don't have to worry about the sites because I have already mentioned in the sites in my video channel. So you don't have to worry about this. You go through these sites and just follow these instructions and install code block in your Windows. Now just open your code block and just type Control C plus. Just open the new file and you have to save this file and just give the name of the file. Go check here. Oops, concept. Now it's a file. I just created a file oops concept.cpp. Now what I want to do, just include most first standard line in C++. It's a bits standard C++ is a file, is a header which we want to use. Which what it does includes all the specified library which we don't really need to specify explicitly. It includes all the libraries in one package. So we don't need to specify other library, other build file explicitly. So you don't have to bother about other libraries. You need to just go through and use all the classes and libraries which you want to use in your program. So it's a good header file, and which I just love to use it. Now next time I want to use the standard. It's a very, if you know about if you have basic concepts C++ and you are about the thing that you have to spare the standard before starting the program at the early program, because this standard is quite useful. Because if you want to use any class, any library file, which then you have to use any standard. Because suppose if you want to use string, then you have to write standard string in C++. So from to avoid these things, you want to use standard at the early stage. So you don't have to specify standard at each time. You just need to write type string. So it's quite easy. Now come to the next line. This creating a class. Oops. Okay. Now what I'll do, I just include a private, include a member variables in the private section. Include three sections: private, protected, and private, protected, public. So you know that we have already heard about things private, protected, and public. So I am expecting that you have basic knowledge of private section, protected section, public section. But I want to demonstrate these things, that private sections are that section of the program in the class which will be accessed only inside the class. Means it will not be accessed outside of the class. Protected are those which will be accessed by the inherited classes, and public sections are those memory areas and functions which can be accessed outside the classes. Means if you make an instance of the class, and we can use these memory areas and functions explicitly outside of the class. We don't have to bother with it. Now right now we want to use two sections: private section, that section we just specify. We'll take just a one memory name. Now second, others specified public section. You see that I want to create to say one thing in the code. I didn't mention any kind of destructor and constructor because we will discuss about this in next video. I will cover all these things. You don't have to worry. You don't have to worry about these things. You just have to consider one thing. This is what I'm saying. Just listen carefully what I'm saying. I want to use this key. This is the keyword which is explicitly says the compiler that this is the variable, whatever the variable associated with this keyword is belongs to that section. Means it's belong. It is the memory variable which is associated with this instance. This memory variable is associated within this instance of the classes. It will gives the compiler a guidance that this instance and this variable are belongs to this class. That's why we want to use this keyword. If you want to use this keyword, or it's so upon your wish that you want to use this keyword or not. But as a programming guidelines, yes, you should have to use this keyword because it makes some kinds of sense that the variables you're setting, the variables you're using in the class, which has been maybe some kind of input variables which are the client the program. Okay, let's forget about these things. Just comes on that topic. Just you're gonna set the variable. Either you're gonna use just I create a variable name and value is Raja. Okay, now I just pass the address of the variable. Okay, now I gonna print this value book dot setname. It's quite easy. Now we've done the programs. It's our first oops concept programming in C++. We're gonna discuss about nothing, nothing more than a single thing. We are just creating one class. We have two sections, private and public sections. Private are those sections which will not be outside of the class for, so that we have to create a setter and getter function. So I just create a set function to that that variable, and I just create a return method. That's called a get name. Okay, now we just create two functions for setting the function and for getting the function. Okay, now we just created an increment block in which we create an instance of the class, and we create a new variable. We set the variable with the value of Raja. Then we want to use this function set name and pass the address of this variable, and just call the next function's get name to print the value. Now we want to check this. Okay, okay, what is the specifier explicit means. Okay, what is this? Okay, now it's over. Okay, now we have completed the first run. Oops, it's a could output Raja. Give another name. Either you can use this form, or either you can output you can give in this form. It's Raja null character. The null character is specified that it's the end of the string, so it will be necessary to explicitly specify that variable, that so that compiler could understand that this variable is that this is the end of the string. Otherwise it gives a compiler so you have to be make sure that whenever you